So today we are going to introduce a new tool called similarTech. It can be used to automatically recommend the analogical libraries across different programming languages. So firstly, what is the analogical technique questions? So for example, what are Java's equivalent libraries to Python's NLTK? NLTK is a library in Python, so we want to find the Java's equivalent ones. So when do developers ask such questions? Firstly, they are not satisfied with current libraries. Because the current library may not under active maintenance. Secondly, they may migrate from one language to another language, so they want to find the equivalent libraries to the old languages. So traditionally, developers will first search that question on Google. So when we ask the example question in Google, these are the top 5 results coming from Google. So two of them are from StyleFlow, one from Quora, the other two come from personal blogs. However, there is a problem. We can see we sent the query in 2016. However, all results are more than 2 years ago. So it means these results are out of date, and as these answers come from personal opinions, so it is very possible to be subjective. So can we ask such question in Q&A site? So when we ask it in StyleFlow, unfortunately, it is not allowed because StyleFlow closes such questions because it is too subjective, and such question may invite debates among developers, and StyleFlow don't want that. So can we answer such questions automatically and objectively? So we propose a tool called similarTech. It mainly uses word embedding, and we customize it with software domain-specific information such as relational knowledge and categorical knowledge. More details can be seen in our paper. We implement this tool into a website. So this is the homepage of our website. There is a search bar and some example libraries in 6 different programming languages, for example. So let's take a very simple one, that is NLTK. Our search bar provides autocomplete function for that one. So we firstly click this library, and then we want to find the equivalent libraries in different programming languages. And our tools returns several results in 2 different programming languages, Python and Java. So if the user want to migrate from Python to Java, he will find the 4 results come from Java. One is OpenNLP, the other 2 gates stand for NLP and clock. So we not only provide the similarity between this library with the given one, we also provide a short description of the recommendation results so that the developers can have an overview of this library. And in addition, we also provide some asking trend about the recommendation results. For example, we can see for the 4 results for in Java, we can see Stanford NLP is the most popular one. So we use this asking trend to tell the users which is the most popular. It can be used, so it means there will be more documentation, there will be more example code for this library, so that developer can know it very well. So if developers is interested in the most popular one, that stands for NLP, he may click it for more details. We can see he can click learn more. And then our website will take him from our site to the Stack Overflow page. This is a more detailed description of Stanford NLP, and he can also see some questions about it in Stack Overflow. So now this scenario shows that our website can help him find analogical libraries across different programming languages. So this is the Google Analytics of our websites, and we can see this is the trend of the visits of our website. So firstly, we release several posts announcing our tool, and then there are some visits. After that, we do some search engine optimization. Now there are steady visits to our websites. So there are more than 2,600 users, and more than 3,000 sessions. And more than 12% of them are returning visitors. They come from different countries, most of them from United States. So for each session, they visit about more than 3 pages. It means the developers are quite interested in the results, so they interact with our website. So this statistic demonstrates that our website is quite useful for this kind of recommendation. So this is all the introduction about our tool. Thanks for listening.